YouTube and welcome to my channel. This is my friend Inky.
Hello.
Inky and I are going to be teaching you how to draw an ostrich.
Wait, I thought we were going to draw an emu.
Well, it can be either one. It just depends on the way you color it.
Okay, that makes sense. They're both large, flightless birds.
So, should we get started, Inky?
Let's fly.
Let's go. So, the first thing that you're going to do in order to draw your ostrich
Or emu.
is draw its eyebrows. Do two little curved lines like that near the top of the page. Then you draw two circles underneath for its eyes. And inside of those, do a tiny little circle and then a bigger circle surrounding it, like this. Inside of that, do an even smaller circle.
Ostriches have amazing eyesight.
Then fill in this one. Then you can draw its eyelashes.
Do you know what you call an ostrich that practices magic?
What, Inky?
An ostrich.
That's funny.
I'm going to put my head in the sand now.
Then you're going to start drawing its beak. Do a big line like this. And a smaller one that curves underneath to make the top of its beak. Then for the bottom, do a line like this. And two little lines there. Then you're going to start drawing its actual head. Going to do lines like this with a furry texture that go all the way around the face to the very bottom. You can do these lines too if you want. Then you're going to start drawing the neck. Do a long line here with a little stripe pattern to make it look like it's wrinkly. Then once you get to the very bottom, you can start drawing its body. Then you can also start drawing its wing, like this. Make sure there's a part like that that curves down and comes back up so you can draw the leg there. Do another one here like that too. Then you can start drawing the legs. Two very long lines, also with that little stripy pattern.
Ostriches use those legs to run very fast. They can run up to 45 miles per hour, or 70 kilometers.
That have these lines, and then these triangles coming from them. Also do this part with another one of the triangles coming down from. You're almost done with the ostrich. The last thing you have to draw is its tail. Draw these big, fluffy looking feathers and whatever design you want to make its tail.
Can I make a fairy tale?
Then you're done with your ostrich. Now I'll start coloring it in time lapse. And that's all for the ostrich. Well, thanks for the suggestion. This is a very unique and fun one. If anybody else has any suggestions, please email me at drawingwithinky@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.
Bye! If you want yours to be an emo, color it like this. And